Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Velas Wallet. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure to download the Velas Wallet application on your mobile device, and once you've done that, launch it open. The very first interface of Velas Wallet will look like this. It'll ask you to set up a password for yourself. Simply go ahead and create a password for your wallet. Double check your password by tapping on the little eye icon at the right corner, and once you are ready, tap on next. Now, it'll ask you whether you'd like to create a new wallet or restore an existing wallet. If you don't have a wallet already, you will need to create one. So tap on create and then accept the terms of use of Velas Wallet by tapping accept. Wait until it sets up your wallet. Now, as soon as it does, you'll need to save your seed phrase. Simply tap on this yellow highlighted text at the bottom where it says, "Please save your seed phrase." Once you tap on it, it will reveal your seed phrases in the correct order. Copy the seed phrases and write it down in a piece of paper in the correct order and tap on next. You can now print out your 24 words seed by tapping on the print option, or if you have write it down in a piece of paper, you can tap next. And on the next page, go ahead and enter the word for a particular number from your backup. After you are done, tap on next and it'll ask you more words. As you can see it on the screen, it is asking me to enter the word which is from the 16th symbol number. Go ahead and enter the word and tap next again. Now once you are done, you will be able to see your wallet displayed on the screen, which means you've successfully created a wallet. Now you can start exploring its features, including storing various cryptocurrencies like VLX, BTC, Ethereum, and more. Send and receive cryptocurrencies, stake your VLX token to earn rewards, buy and sell cryptocurrencies with a credit card, and much more. So that's how easy it is to sign up or create a new account for Velas mobile wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.